I got a new jacket today, branded SFT. What is SFT? Well, I'll tell you what the words are. See, feel, trust. This was taught to me on how to improve my golf game, but I've used it in other ways to think about how to operate my actual business, my day-to-day life. So when you think about golf, see, envision the shot. Where do you want the ball to go? Where do you want it to stop? Where do you want it to roll to? See the shot in your mind. Envision exactly what you want to happen. In golf, then you feel the shot, right? That's a practice shot. That's feel. And then there's T for trust. Just trust it. If you can see it, you can feel it. Now it's time to trust it and watch it happen. But can you convert this into real life? I spent the entire month of September waking up in the morning and seeing exactly what I wanted to happen. I wrote it down, I wrote down my goals, and then I pictured it actually happening in my day, right? I envisioned the end of the day, and how did that feel? How did it feel to write up the sale on the board or whatever it was I was thinking about the day? And then I went about and trusted it. And I rated myself every single day on SFT. Did I hit it? If you're a golfer, do the same thing. Can you do SFT before every single shot? And really be honest with yourself before every golf shot. If you can hit 80% SFT before every shot, you will improve your game. If you SFT everything in your life, every time you're deciding to do something, you will improve your life. Try SFT in your life, see where it goes.